Do you think you need to spend a fortune to make this Valentine's Day special? Well, I'm here to tell you to think again. In this video, we'll explore creative, heartfelt, and budget-friendly ideas to celebrate your love without breaking the bank. Stick around and your wallet will thank you. Later in the video, I'll share an incredibly romantic idea that costs almost nothing but will blow your partner away. There's also a hidden tip that's a running theme throughout all of these ideas. See if you can guess what it is and check if you're right at the end. Celebrating Valentine's Day on a budget might sound counterintuitive, but it's both smart and meaningful. When we focus on the price tag, we risk losing sight of what truly matters, the love, care, and thoughtfulness behind our actions. In this video, I'll show you how to break free of the commercialized version of Valentine's Day and make it truly memorable without overspending. I've been there, feeling pressured to splurge on extravagant gifts, fancy dinners, and elaborate gestures to prove my love. But the pressure can lead to stress, anxiety, and even guilt if we can't keep up. Many couples find themselves sacrificing financial goals or even going into debt just to impress their partner. Let's break free from these expectations and shift the focus to love, connection, and thoughtfulness. Non-material acts of service build stronger emotional connections. So, at home, you can light some candles, play some soft music, and avoid the pricey restaurants by cooking your partner's favorite meal with a homemade candlelit dinner. I remember when my husband did this for me when we first started dating, and I found it so romantic and really attractive that he wanted to cook for me, and he was actually quite a decent cook. This idea should cost you between $15 to $30, so ingredients about $10 to $20, and a couple of candles at $5 if you don't already have them. Gratitude and emotional expression deepen relationships. So showcase your memories and feelings along with some creativity by customizing a photo album, or if you're even more creative, a heartfelt love letter. I still get some beautiful notes in my birthday cards and Christmas cards to this day, and sometimes it wells me up. It's not that he writes epic poems or is a rhyming guru. It's just that he writes direct and simple notes that are from the heart. For the albums idea, it could cost you between $5 to $20, depending if you need to print the photos and buy some additional stationery. If you're turning your hand to writing beautiful love notes in a pre-made card, that should cost you between $3 to $5. Novelty and shared activities strengthen bonds by releasing dopamine. Lead your partner to special memories or small gifts with clues around the house in a scavenger hunt. My husband did this for me one Easter. I absolutely love running around the house trying to figure out the clues, and my husband fell over laughing because I kept getting the clues wrong. Eventually, I did find the final egg, and we sat down and enjoyed that together, laughing of how I got the clues wrong and me telling him he wrote the worst clues. This should cost you between $5 to $15, depending on the gifts or chocolates that you buy, and also how you do the notes. Will you print them or handwrite them? I recommend handwritten, it just looks adorable. Touch and relaxation releases oxytocin that promotes bonding. Here's a standout idea. Plan a DIY spa day at home. I've done this for my husband a few times. I run him a nice relaxing hot bath, I light some candles, play some soft music, and once he's out of the bath, I use my favorite skincare products on him and give him a head massage. Who doesn't like being pampered, especially in the convenience of your own home? This idea should cost you between $15 to $30. Essential oils, $10 to $15. Candles, $5 to $10. And just use the towels you already own. Sharing emotional moments through movies fosters bonding. Right, this one you've probably already done when you were a kid, which is to build a fort. Then grab some snacks and put on your partner's favorite movie. Hell, why not make it into a movie marathon? This idea should cost you overall $10 to $15, popcorn or snacks $5 to $10, and fairy lights $5 if you don't already own them. Valentine's Day doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Thought, effort, and creativity matter far more than expensive gifts or fancy dinners. Focusing on personal and meaningful gestures like a homemade dinner, heartfelt notes, or a cozy spa day will make your Valentine's Day unforgettable. As the iconic J-Lo once said, even if you're broke, my love don't cost a thing. And now to reveal the hidden tip. Have you noticed that in my examples, I haven't said that we've always only done these things during Valentine's Day? That's because we surprise each other with these things throughout the year. So, my bonus tip to you is don't wait for that one day a year to show your partner how much they mean to you. I hope you found these ideas helpful, and if you do, drop me a like. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.